here's how you can select specific apps and their notifications on the iPhone. So let me show you how you can manage those things. Let's get started. And if this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you go to the settings and find the main section, you can obviously scroll through it and find notifications menu, and at the top of the list we have the general settings for notifications, meaning every single one of them is gonna take these settings. But then below we have a list of every installed and available app, and all of them can manage their own notifications. So if you mean selecting which apps specifically can deliver notification and which not, this is the place where you can manage it, because you can go below and decide, for example, that some social media apps are going to be disabled fully, or you can only enable the lock screen notifications. And yeah, it just goes like that, because we have the very same set of settings for every app, right? You can disable the sound while keeping notifications enabled, or you can turn off the badges, which are the indicators on the home screen that there is like new notification which you need to check out, right? So that is how it works. And as you can see, all of the apps have their own dedicated section, so it might take a while for you to go through all of that, but eventually you'll end up with the perfect notification setup for you personally. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope that I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you later in the upcoming videos too.